Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and do well. So in today's video, friends, I will share some amazing and stylish spring Wreath decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Friends, soft flowers, fresh green and bright color brings spring to life. This Wreath is perfect for your doors, wall, table, centerpiece, even simple decoration. Make your home feel happy and fresh. Handmade touch add charm and personality. A spring Wreath is a small piece of natural your home. Step by step die. Start with a round base for your Wreath. Attach fresh or artificial flowers and trim leaves. Mix soft pastel color for a casual cheerful spring look. Add a small decoration like a ribbon, eggs, seashores, everything carefully and hang your Wreath proudly. This simple die brings joy and freshness to any space. Soft color, gentle, show how to like details. Make your home cheerful this spring. Soft flowers, creamy, bright color, perfect Wreath. This spring Wreath also be